Alright, today guys, I'm in a new realm. It is called Unknown SMP. I'm here with my friend Rose Soul, or TJ.
What's up?
And yeah, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is he gave me some starting supplies, and the first thing I'm going to do is, I guess, build a house. So let's get into that. Well, this is a diamond pickaxe. I didn't even realize it was a diamond.
Oh, the one I gave you? Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, why is this mining so fast? Yeah, I'm pretty sure like a lot of the caves are probably mined out, so I'm gonna have to do like a lot of strip mining instead.
Yeah, a lot. I haven't found diamonds since after episode 1.
I'm not sure how long I plan on recording, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna end up being a reasonably long video.
Well, yeah, first episode's always going to be pretty long.
Because that's your introduction.
Yeah. All my videos are like 5 minutes exactly.
Alright, cool. There goes the shovel. Actually, can I... Oh my god, I got Dance Monkey stuck in my head.
Is that a song?
Yeah. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Maybe I'll just play like a very, very short, like 5-second clip of it. Like right here.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh.
Alright, yeah, there it is.
That's what I did for,
yeah, I'm gonna because I don't want to get copyrighted, but yeah, for the people who don't know Dance Monkey, somehow, like, how do you not know what Dance Monkey is? Why not let me place bed? Oh. I'm a genius. This is how you know I haven't fucking played Minecraft on PC in forever. I was right clicking instead of left clicking, so I wasn't placing it down, I was mining the dirt beneath it. Maybe for when I say naughty words, I should do the thing that's the big funny, where they do the dolphin sound effect.
The big funny? Yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds...
Where it goes brrr. I don't know. Pull up dolphin sound effect right here. Okay, yeah, see, in editing, it'll be there.
Will it?
Who knows? Maybe. That's for future me to decide. And they'll have little subtext right here saying that I actually did or I actually didn't put it in, because I was either too lazy or I just wanted to put it in. It's been 30 minutes already. I feel like I've been sitting here doing just absolutely nothing.
I haven't done anything but get food.
Oh god, what's happening? My control. Did I get fucking like grease or something on my keyboard? I was like uncontrollably like drifting the wrong way. Like I got stick drift on one of my keys and it got stuck.
That always happens to me. So I don't think it's the keys. It has to be the
server's
the
bugged. It's bugged. It's so weird.
pajamas, yeah.
In my PJs.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna mine for 20 minutes, build the staircase, and then call it there.
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this little boring amount of stuff I've done, but I'm sure there'll be more interesting things to come in the future. So I will see you all later, and bye.